So my life before taking the upGrad course was a little monotonous. It was a sales job. All I have to do is sell the loans, which was actually not the dream which I thought, or I saw that I want my career in future to be like this. So that actually really motivated me, triggered inside me that no, this is not going, it's going to be the path which currently I'm going. It's not really lead me to my career or the dream where I want to be. And so I started searching, looking for something which can actually create my career into which I want, that is digital marketing. And then I came across this upGrad. The best part is the curriculum is keep on updating. It's not like they said one curriculum, it's going to be fixed. No. In the college, it's like this one pattern they have said, it follows throughout the years. But in this online upGrad course, they're changing it and updating with the trends in the market. Another best part is the accessibility. It's not like in college there was a timing, fixed timing. But in this, I was in my comfort, I was able to do the course anytime, any point of time. They had an app, a wonderful app UI is there. So obviously there is a difference. The peers in upGrad are really experienced. Many of them are like 10, 20, 30 years of experience peers are there from whom I can learn actually what they have done in the industry, the work, the career, how they have got there, what challenges they have faced. I can learn from that. So these things are not there in the college peers because actually they are of my similar age. So same experience, we cannot learn much as compared to some experienced person we can learn. upGrad has made an impact in my apart from work life, yes, my mind has become more like perceptive towards the people in terms of understanding, as we have one subject of consumer behavior. So with the help of that, I really started understanding the people on my day-to-day basis whom I meet. I'm able to judge them properly. The perception has become more clear, more the judgments which I take according to them, either my family, either my friends or anyone, it's become more successful, it's become more correct because of those learnings which I'm having over here.